Ethan Carter was a man who seemed to have it all: wealth, power, and a name that commanded respect. As the CEO of Carter Enterprises, he was accustomed to people treating him differently because of his status. But deep down, Ethan often wondered, did they truly care about him? Or were they just after his money? One evening, as he gazed out from his penthouse over the glittering city below, an idea struck him. He decided to test the kindness of strangers by pretending to be poor. The next day, Ethan traded his designer suits for worn-out clothes and his luxury car for an old bicycle. He rode to a small diner on the outskirts of the city, far from his usual upscale haunts. The diner was cozy but modest, with checkered floors and a counter lined with stools. Ethan took a seat and waited. A young waitress named Mia approached him, her smile warm and genuine. "Hi there! Welcome to Rosie's Diner. What can I get you?" Ethan glanced at the menu, his stomach growling. "Just a coffee, please," he said, softly. Mia nodded and returned moments later with a steaming cup. "Here you go. Let me know if you need anything else." As Ethan sipped the coffee, he watched Mia. She treated every customer with the same kindness, laughing with the regulars, comforting a crying child, even giving an elderly man an extra slice of pie on the house. Ethan was intrigued. He decided to test her further. When Mia returned to refill his coffee, Ethan hesitated, then looked up at her with a pained expression. I don't have any money," he admitted, his voice trembling. "I lost my job, and I've been living on the streets. I just needed something warm." Mia's eyes softened. "Oh, honey, don't worry about it. The coffee's on me." Ethan was stunned. "Are you sure? I don't want to cause any trouble." Mia waved him off. "It's no trouble at all. Everyone deserves a little kindness, especially when they're down on their luck." Ethan felt a lump rise in his throat. He hadn't expected such generosity from a stranger. "Thank you," he whispered. Mia smiled. "You're welcome. And if you're hungry, I can get you something to eat too. No charge." Before Ethan could protest, she disappeared into the kitchen, returning minutes later with a plate: a turkey, sandwich, fries, and a slice of pie. "Here you go," she said gently. "Eat up." Ethan stared at the food, his heart swelling with gratitude. "Thank you," he said again, his voice barely audible,